video part 2. Yes, that's my sister. So forget about her. So yeah. So in Crystal Stands, there's a shop right there, and as you see, I'm right here. There is that place there. I don't know, but let's go in. Hi people. This is Captain Melville's juice box. Sorry. It's so noisy you can't even really hear me. So yeah. There's a claw. Yeah. You see, it's a game. Oh yeah. So our next place we're gonna go is going to be, I don't know. Look at my video. Let's go down this place. Hey. I wonder what it is. Oh, this is Crystal Reef. I never knew that. Well, as you can see, it's now quiet. I know. Actually, what is? I think this is a shop. I think so. Let's just visit it. Not her visit, Thunder. What is? Wow. Oh, this is flippers and fins. You can get these pets. I don't know what they're called. You can get turtle pets. You can get seahorse pets, and you can also get jellyfish pets. Hi, jellyfish. And for members, you can dress them. So yeah, I'm a non-member. Well, as you can see, that was where I came in. And yeah. Oh, you can also do this game, the pet stop. And as you see, the seahorse is wearing sorry, that thing again. Is wearing a thing. So yeah. You might hear violin. That's nearly the end of this video. Just one last place. So let's go. I'm going to see if you can go up here. Or not. I'm going to go to somewhere else. Mount Shiva. I'm just going to pause. I'm sorry, not Mount Shiva, Jamar Township. I'm just going to change into my rabbit. Bunny. So in Jamar Township, there's a lot of shops. There's Jamar Furniture. There is Jamar Clothing. There is the Diamond Shop. I don't know what this place is called, but what it is. And that's the Solar Arcade, and that's the Pillow Room. Oh, I went in the Diamond Shop. So yeah. This diamond shop sells non-member armors. 2 only. Yeah. Yeah, 2 pieces. Thanks, South. And yeah. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm just going to give a shout out to my sister. Her users is Nina Shu. Sorry, not that shoe. I mean like XU. Bye.